Alright, we got Kazakhstan now. I don't like bombings. Uzbekistan. Alright. Kyrgyzstan.
The warehouse's massive
Oh
summer
my
clearance is on now.
god. Skip. Sorry about the ads, but I tried to tell the warehouse to shut up because they're such a scam. Alright, Tajikistan. Turkmenistan was like covering his ears. Afghanistan. Pakistan. Looks like Armenia is blowing his own bugle. Or is it a trumpet? Or just a horn? Azerbaijan. Alright, that's South Africa and Greece. What is Azerbaijan doing? Brunei. Laos in space. Actually, he can have his own TV show. Alright. Cambodia is up next. Okay, and another one appears. Thailand. Burma. Scene deleted. Oh my god. I don't know what to put there. Guys, we need something subs. India. On his motorbike. You just keep racing. Sri Lanka. Can you hear some static buzz? Oh. That's Monaco, not Indonesia. East Timor. Why are you armless? Guyana was there. Philippines. Not a drill. Okay then. I can hear the screams already. This is kind of like, oh, Singapore's up next. For a second I thought this was going to be an invasion. Malaysia. Again. Why? Why are you doing this? Oh my god, Brunei. You are absolutely crazy, you know that? Yemen. Oh my god. Why does he have one cheek like a little puffed up? Not a balloon. Faceless. And limbless. Oman. Oh no. No Maldives. Whatever you do. Oh, Taiwan. He's just looking at a chainsaw, but now the chainsaw broke, which causes him to be surprised. That's Saudi Arabia, only without that thing. Oh no. It's not just an ear alarm, it's just a scream. I don't like this at all, because this is extremely torture. Whoa, this was extremely torture. Alright, this is Bahrain. Trying to speak. It's Qatar. The UAE. Are you supposed to be in Saudi Arabia? What the heck? What the hell is that? Oh my god, there's airplanes dropping a nuclear bomb. That's Iran! That was Iran. Down the drain you go, nuclear bombs. That was seriously Iran. With Iraq on a motorcycle. Stop exploding, young man! Why do you have to keep getting explosions? Alright, Iraq is up next. Move on. Move on, please. Move on. Israel, why is he laughing? Why is he laughing? Palestine. The United Nations was like, what the? Right. Lebanon. Has his tongue out. That's Jordan. No. There's another Jordan over there. Speaking in Arabic. I thought he was going to speak in Morse code. Okay.
للحفاظ بكل ما هو
You
ممكن
need to stop
بالنسبة
speaking in
لنا
Arabic.
إذا
Speak
كنت
English.
تريدهن المزيد من المعلومات.
Turkey. Oh my god. Oh, it's Syria. Megaphone. Okay. It sounds like a distorted version of Canada, but however, she doesn't appear. New Zealand, is that a gun? Actually, I thought that was going to be a water gun. Where is Germany? He's supposed to be killing Papua New Guinea. Guam. Again. Rip Palau. However, he appears to be a ghost visibly. Kosovo became a klaxon horn. Do you think that's the Cayman Islands? I don't know. I think he's playing the EMU Proteus too. Oh, it's the same thing as Greece. Nui. No. Tuvalu's up next. Girls with Dynamite. Tonga. Speaking of something. It's Samoa. It's a poorly drawn version of Iceland. Oh my god. Vanuatu. His phone is ringing. Nauru. Solomon Islands is the imposter. Amogus. Man, this guy is kicking Venezuela, who possibly sound like Canada's ESLM, but a little high-pitched. Stepping on it. Go to the Islands. That's the Bikini Atoll. There's Peru. Solomon Island. That's the Christmas Island. He's falling asleep. Oh god. The end. Wow. So many episodes. So that was just 33 episodes of the ES Alarms mix series. Now I'm going to do some more